We'll guide you through how to change Gmail settings using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website. Log in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, also known as the settings icon. This opens a quick settings menu, but to dive deeper, click on See All Settings at the top of this menu. Now you're in the full settings area where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Want to change the theme or background? Just click on the Themes tab at the top, where you can select from a variety of options to personalize your inbox appearance. If you need to adjust your inbox layout or display density, you can do that under the General tab. To organize your emails better, go to the Labels tab to manage or create new labels for better email categorization. Need to set up a signature? Back in the General tab, scroll down to find the Signature section where you can add or edit your email signature with text, images, or links. Don't forget to save any changes by scrolling to the bottom and clicking the Save Changes button. This ensures everything you've adjusted is applied. If you're looking to enhance security, head over to the Accounts and Import tab where you can manage account settings and add recovery options. These settings help protect your account and make sure you can recover it if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.